Yeah, good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. So I want to teach you the linear inequalities in a fractional format. So imagine you have a question like this. I usually tell my students, don't touch the sign, leave the sign like that. Now, what you have to do is that you have to cross multiply, all right? This will multiply this will multiply this. Very simple. That means my 4 will come to this place, become what? 4 bracket 3x plus 2, then less than or equal to what? 3 bracket s plus 4. What did I do? I use this one to multiply this. That is cross multiplication. I use this one to multiply this. 4 times 3x is what? 12x. 4 times plus 2 is what? Plus 8. Less than or equal to 3 times x is 3x. Then 3 times plus 4 is what? Plus 12. Please, you can look at it very well so that you can understand better. Because of time, 12x, if you bring your 3x here, it becomes minus 3x. Then less than or equal to 12 plus here, if you come to this place, become what? Minus. So 12x minus 3x is what? 9x. Less than or equal to 12 minus 8 is 4. So divide both sides by what? We divide both sides by 9. So that means our x is what? 4 over 9. Thank you so much. This is how you can solve it. Let me explain it again. You use this one to multiply this and use this one to multiply this. So that is what I did. Then I started opening the brackets. If you don't understand how to open the brackets, I've created it on my playlist on YouTube channel. So look at the comment section. You will see the link there. So if you just see this video, that's a good one. But look at the comment section. You will see I've done several videos on algebraic expression and linear inequalities. Thank you so much. I wish you success in your forthcoming examination. See you later.